what's happened here is we have a list of employees. We have their salaries, we've got the, how long they've been around at the company, and we have their badge numbers. Well, it just so happens that we've got a number of duplicate badge numbers. And what we need to do is target the duplicates and just plug in a different number. But we don't want to sort the data and get them kind of paired up and get rid of one of the, change one of the numbers of one of the pairs. I want to keep this order. I just want to have an indicator that shows me where the duplicates are. Okay, it's just one of many tools that you have here. So we're going to use conditional formatting to make this happen, to ferret out those duplicates. So we go ahead and we select that range, not too many of them there. So those are all your badge numbers. Then we go to Home, and we go over here to Conditional Formatting, and we have the Highlight Cells rules here. And there's something here called Duplicate Values. So you click onto that. It says it's looking for the duplicates. It's going to make them red. That's fine. Hit OK. There they are. So there's all your duplicates. Now, what you would do is you say, okay, looks like Chipster here is sharing the same badge number, I guess, with probably George Romero there, and maybe even Michael Reeves here. So, and maybe more. So what we'll do is we'll just come up with a new number. So I'll say, okay, I'm going to make this one 70,000 there, right? Enter that in, voila. Okay, so we know now that that's a unique number. Now we're going to go over here to Danny and type in 71,000. That takes care of that one. Now we'll go over here to George, who had initially the same one as Chip did, and we're going to change that one, let's say, to 8,100 or 1,000. That takes care of that. And it slowly but surely knocks these things off. So you go on the next one, you say, okay, I'll make this one 98,000. And then a little bit further down, and over here we'll say this is going to be 66,000. And you saw the one below that just went away as far as the duplicate goes, coloring, because we got rid of the other one. And here's Michael. We'll type in 74. And there we go. Oop. And that's it, I think. I think that's it. So if later on, as you're doing this, you had typed in maybe 7,000 here as well, or 70,000, just like we have for Chipster there. So what happens there? So now I'll go over to Chip here and I'll say, okay, we're going to change his number to 99,000. And there we go. That's it. That's about as easy as it gets. So hopefully maybe this is something that you can use. A very simple tool to identify the duplicates and then change them right in place of maybe other data or whatever you need to do. So it's not a matter of getting rid of the people, getting rid of those rows. It's a matter of targeting who they are and then changing their numbers like we did here. So hopefully you can use this. Thanks a lot for watching the video.